to let me know. Should I stay or should I go? If you say that you are mine, I'll be here till the end of time. So come on and let me know. Should I stay or should I go? It's always tease, tease, tease. I'm happy when you're on your knees. One day it's fine, the next it's black. So if you want me off your back, come on and let me know. Should I stay or should I go? Should I stay or should I go now? Should I stay or should I go now? If I go there will be trouble, and if I stay there will be trouble. So come on and let me know. This indecision's bugging me. If you don't want me, set me free.